Several persons escaped unharmed after a 7-bedroom, 2-story house was damaged by fire in Coral Garden, St. James early Saturday morning. One resident, Donovan Forbes, says he was asleep inside when the scent of smoke woke him up about 4 o'clock.
In the living room, so I tried to enter and I said like be a fire in the living room. So I run back to my bedroom, wake up my girlfriend, and we run downstairs. We have some guests downstairs. We secure them, bring them out. And when I come back to go inside my bedroom to secure some documents and so forth, the fire engulfed it, so we couldn't save nothing.
3 fire units from the Freeport and Coral Garden fire stations helped put out the blaze. A 2010 Range Rover and a Harley-Davidson motorbike were burnt to ashes. However, only the top story of the $66 million house was damaged.